Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. Okay guys, I've got to be quick because there's some roadworks going on. This is what I use to dust my house. Pledge Grab It Duster. This is awesome because it has a telescopic handle on it and you can reach like really high places. Usually I will just keep one on for maybe a month or so and just vacuum the head off like every time I use it. Swiffer from Daiso. This is what I use to spot mop my floors, but also to dust up high around the edges of the ceiling and the walls. Just has a washable microfiber cloth on it, also from Daiso. I also use my vacuum cleaner to dust quite often, and I will just pop on like a dusting head. I've got a few other different attachments for it, but this one I noticed there was some cobwebs up high, so I'm going to get rid of those today. This is a microfiber cloth from Co. I really like these. They're really great quality, really nice, big, thick. And I love this thing. It's got like this little corner with a little scouring pad on it that you can use to like clean as you go. And then just another Daiso microfiber cloth. For cleaning products, if I use anything, sometimes I'll just use like a cloth to dust down with. It will be something like this, like Mr. Sheen. So this is just a furniture polish. And I do find that when you use this, it does kind of prevent the dust, or not prevent, but deter the dust from settling again. So I don't know what it does. It kind of prevents dust buildup, but that is what I use typically when I dust the house. And I have noticed that, I've commented many times on my channel that the house used to be really dusty, but since I relocated the dryer from in the kitchen, in that little laundry nook, downstairs to the garage, I have noticed that the dust has dropped off considerably, like so much less dust with just moving the dryer downstairs. So I highly recommend, if you have a dryer in your house, maybe look at relocating it somewhere else. So we're going to get kind of dusting and just kind of stock standard, and we'll kind of time it to see how long it takes. I mean, obviously when I film it, I've got to move the camera, move a light, but you know, just stock standard things that need dusting around the house. So let's get in and do it. And you can either start up high and do high around, or just do like high and down on piece by piece. So that's typically what I do. I will just start with like one piece or one section and just go up high and then just work my way down, like for example on this big media unit. And people say, well, you've got so much decor and kind of decorations and stuff, it must take you forever to dust. And I'm like, if it took me forever to dust, believe me, I would not have it. And I mean, if you want to get up and do like a really super thorough job, like moving every single item, yes, it's going to take longer, and yes, I do that sometimes, but if it's just, you know, if you're just looking for like good enough for weekly cleaning, this is like, in my opinion, good enough. This is definitely a case of done is better than perfect, and this is weekly. So if I was going to be doing a deep spring cleaning, yeah, I'd take everything off, wipe it all down, wipe every single thing down, use cleaner on every single piece. But this is just like a kind of keeping it under control. Also, in hindsight, if I had planned it a little bit better, I probably would have done yesterday's challenge today, and today's yesterday. Switched out yesterday for today. So dusting first and then vacuuming, but you know, it is what it is.
All the girls, they follow you around every day. What can I do to make you mine? Just look my way, I see you try to be cool, but it's not you. I'm the one that you want. So try me, babe. Watching from afar, wishing upon a star. If you could only see what I see, trying to open up your eyes that been wide shut, but I believe it's not a dream. I'm gonna change your mind about me. I gotta make you see me fit perfectly, like it's meant to be, so desperately. So just follow me, 'cause I've got the key. Let's unlock our box and find out what's inside it. Could be anything, a good thing. So let's change your mind.
And that's pretty much it. The lounge room, living room, lounge, living, dining, study kind of area, all done. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I just want to grab the vacuum cleaner and grab some.
You see it too. I'll go ahead, keeping on. I won't fold. Open up and take me in. Don't be so cold. Watching from afar, wishing upon a star. If you could only see what I see, trying to open up your eyes that been wide shut, but I believe it's not a dream. I'm gonna change your mind about me. I gotta make you see me fit perfectly, like it's meant to be, so desperately. So just follow me, 'cause I've got the key. Let's unlock our box and find out what's inside it. Could be anything, a good thing. So let's change your mind about me. What you got to lose? Hear me out, just give me a chance. Spill your heart in the palm of my hand. Hear me out, just give me a chance. Spill your heart in the palm of my hand. I'm gonna change your mind about me.
Alright, I think that took like 12 minutes. 12 minutes including changing around the camera. So don't ever say that you haven't got time to dust your house, because you just grab a duster like this, give it a quick once over. Like, we're not living in Buckingham Palace here, so it's done to a good enough standard for me. So it's all dusted, it's taken care of. And I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this in a couple of places. I've put some new drawers, well, not new, I've put some drawers back into the media unit. So I just want to give those a good clean down with some furniture polish, and then that's it, we're done.
You see me fit perfectly, like it's meant to be, so desperately. So just follow me, 'cause I've got the key. Let's unlock our box and find out what's inside it. It could be anything, a good thing. So let's change your mind about me. What you got to lose?
So guys, that is it for dusting. It honestly does not take long. It takes as long as you allow it to take. Get in, get it done quickly, whip through your house. It'll be done before you know it, and then just make sure you maintain it week to week, so that you are not letting your house pile up with tons of dust everywhere. If you're enjoying this challenge, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll leave a link in the description to the original video that explains the challenge, and a link to the playlist that has all of the videos for every day in the challenge so far. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe before you go. Have a fab day, and I'll see you tomorrow for another challenge. Bye everyone. Shh! No barking like that. Don't you bark like that. That's naughty. You're not allowed to bark. Thank you. Good girl, dog Freddy. And to the playlist with all of the challenge days so far. And Freddy, stop!